Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to redo Face ID on iPhone. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To redo or set up Face ID again on your iPhone, just follow these steps. Go to the Settings app on your iPhone. Go ahead and scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. Enter your device passcode to proceed. Then tap on Reset Face ID. This option is typically located at the bottom of the Face ID and passcode settings page. Just follow the on-screen instructions to set up Face ID again. Position your face within the frame and move your head in a circular motion to complete the scan. Once the setup is complete, you can use Face ID to unlock your iPhone, authenticate purchases, and more. By following these steps, you can redo Face ID setup on your iPhone to ensure accurate and secure facial recognition. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.